Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cute meringue cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 3 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It is crucial that your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and grease-free. Also, using egg whites at room temperature will help them whip up to their fullest potential, giving you light and airy meringues. Now let's get whipping. Start by beating your room temperature egg whites on a medium speed until they become foamy and form soft peaks. Then, slowly incorporate the granulated sugar, adding it about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuously whipping. Keep beating until the meringue is wonderfully glossy and holds firm, stiff peaks that stand up straight when you lift the whisk. This is where the fun begins. Gently fold in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or experiment with other flavorings like almond or peppermint. For cute, colorful meringues, add a few drops of gel food coloring. Gel colors are best as they won't thin out your meringue. You can even divide your meringue into separate bowls to create a beautiful array of different colored cookies. Now for the final steps. Spoon your colorful meringue into a piping bag fitted with your favorite tip and pipe cute shapes onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake these delightful treats at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and let them cool completely inside for at least another hour to ensure they are perfectly crisp and dry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.